everyone, this is Sohail Rahman from I Love Travel, and welcome to another brand new video. And I'm already in the Expo venue. Just have a look. I think you people already understand. I'm in the Expo side because of I already put the logo. So today I enter with mobility district, and this is the mobility pavilion. So first of all, I starting from this way, from here, this pavilion, and let's see what is inside of the mobility pavilion. Let's go inside and then we can see what is inside of there. This is the inside of mobility pavilion scene. So this look like genuine human being reading Quran. This was the very old, like 200 300 years ago, the papers. There was writing and reading in this. Exactly real people, real human being. The astronaut, guys, I'll be the astronaut. Just have a look, wait and then see. I'll be the astronaut.
It's okay, we can share what we create and what we need with people on the other side of the planet as easily as we can with our neighbors. Our global networks show us the world in amazing new ways.
Thank you. This is the satellite. This is the satellite control center. Is calling there. They already put the name there. UE Space Agency. They're controlling. They're getting information, everything from this station, this agency. Astronaut. Astronaut C. Just have a look. Astronaut talking with family like this. They're sitting like that there. In the space center, in the satellite, inside of the satellite. See? This is the thing. They are showing this how will be the future world technology, and how they will prepare this thing, the buildings and people, how they will be staying.
The harmony indicator is showing how well the city has adapted to its citizens and their physical environment.
What do you mean?
It looks at how well people's practical and emotional needs are.
So this was the mobility pavilions inside. They was highlighting actually present technology and about the future technology plan. So this was the thing inside of the mobility pavilion. So let's see when we can go right now. Next which pavilion we are visiting. Guys, this is the Australia pavilion. Now I'll go inside. Let's see what they highlight. And this is the outside. Just have a look. Guys, this was Australia pavilions inside. So there was also highlighting the future technology and present technology. So I hope everybody enjoy it. So এই ছিল আজকের মতো ভিডিও। আজকের মতো এখানেই বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আবার দেখা হবে আবার নতুন কোনো প্যাভিলিয়নে এক্সপো 2020 দুবাইতে। তো ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন সবাই। অ্যান্ড অফকোর্স এটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে and আপনাদের ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে শেয়ার করতে বলবেন না। আর ডেফিনেটলি কমেন্টস করে জানাবেন কেমন লাগলো আমার ভিডিও। তো ভালো থাকবেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, দেখা হবে ইনশাল্লাহ আবার নতুন কোনো প্যাভিলিয়নে।